What was unique about the T-Rex's arms despite their small size? The right answer is they could lift over 180 kilograms. Which modern animals are direct descendants of dinosaurs? The right answer is birds. What feature did many raptors possess, aside from scales? The right answer is feathers. Which dinosaur is considered one of the largest ever discovered? The correct choice is Argentinosaurus. How fast could the ornithomimus likely run? The right answer is 60 kilometers per hour. On which continent have dinosaur fossils not been found? The answer is they've been found on all continents. What evolutionary trait links birds and dinosaurs? The right answer is hollow bones. Which dinosaur could lift weights similar to a power lifter with each arm? The answer is Tyrannosaurus rex. What is the estimated length of Argentinosaurus? The correct answer is 40 meters. What group of dinosaurs does the ornithomimus belong to? The correct choice is theropods. Which trait helped dinosaurs dominate the globe? The correct answer is wide distribution. Feathers in dinosaurs were likely used for. The correct answer is warmth and display. Which dinosaur group is known for its speed and ostrich-like appearance? The answer is ornithomimids. How much could a single T-Rex arm lift? The correct answer is 180 kilograms. What discovery changed the way scientists viewed dinosaur skin? The correct choice is fossilized feathers. Why is the discovery of fossils in Antarctica significant? The answer is Antarctica was once warmer. What dinosaur had strong arms but couldn't reach its mouth? The right answer is Tyrannosaurus rex. Which of the following is a feathered theropod dinosaur? The correct answer is Velociraptor. Why did some dinosaurs develop feathers before flight evolved? The right answer is mating displays and warmth. Which dinosaur could match the speed of a modern ostrich? The correct choice is Ornithomimus.